Hey everyone, welcome back to the show. Today we're going to be chatting about osteoderms. Now, osteoderm is a specialized bone found in the skin of all crocodilians, and depending on the species, you can find osteoderms in different parts of the body. But the one classic place that all crocodilians have a large number of osteoderms is along their back. In the skin, these bones help give a form of protection, and they give that toughness, or what is sometimes referred to as an armor-plated skin, to the back of a crocodilian. And you can see on this scoop that came from a large alligator's back, the ridges that also help give it that classic dragon-like appearance that all crocodilians have. While these are embedded in the skin, what we see on the outside then is a layer of scale known as a scute. And if you look at the shape of this osteoderm, then you can figure out that for every scute you see on the back of an alligator or a crocodile, there is one osteoderm under it. But these things do much more than just give protection to the alligator or crocodile skin. They can play a role in helping them regulate temperature and are even important in determining how long a crocodilian can stay underwater while holding its breath. So to find out more about osteoderms, don't go anywhere. I'm Mark Perpetua, and you're watching Croc Chat. The large scales on a crocodilian's back are called scutes, and with their high ridges, they really give a rugged appearance. But beneath the scutes, embedded in the skin, are specialized bones called osteoderms. The word osteoderm means bone in skin. They are flat, disc, or square-shaped bones found within the skin of all crocodilians, and they're not attached to the rest of the skeleton. The number and placement of osteoderms depends on the species. Caiman in general are known for their osteoderms in the ventral or belly skin. By comparison, saltwater crocodiles do not have any ventral or belly osteoderms. Alligators also have very few osteoderms in their belly. Being bone, it is most obvious that osteoderms provide a layer of protection, not only against predators, but also each other. Crocodilians can be territorial and do not always get along. The osteoderms add a layer of protection during territorial battles. However, they're not foolproof, as crocs and gators can and do injure each other during these fights. Another function of the osteoderms is to help with regulating temperature. They are important for absorbing heat. The osteoderms are porous and they have many blood vessels running through them. These blood vessels are able to carry the heat to the rest of the body, increasing the core temperature when the animal is basking. Of course, when the animal gets too hot, it only needs to move back into the water to cool back off. And still another role that is extremely important is that osteoderms have been found to neutralize a condition called acidosis. This condition is caused by the buildup of carbon dioxide in the blood when the crocodilians are underwater for long periods of time and holding their breath. As carbon dioxide accumulates, it turns into carbonic acid, and this acid can be dangerous dissolved in the bloodstream. The calcium and magnesium from the dermal bone will release alkaline ions into the bloodstream, acting as a buffer against the acidification. This way, crocodilians can stay underwater and hold their breath for even longer periods of time. Add this to their other amazing adaptations, like a nictitating membrane to protect their eye, ear flaps to protect their ears underwater, and even muscles in the nasal disc to pinch their nostrils shut. Along with their streamlined body, powerful tails, it's easy to see how crocodilians have become one of nature's top aquatic predators. If you're ever watching a crocodilian swim effortlessly through the water with their large, powerful tails, or just lazily basking in the sun, remember all of their amazing adaptations and how some of them lie just under the skin, like the amazing osteoderms we talked about today. These bones not only give the crocodilian a tough, rugged skin, but also help them when raising their body temperature and play an important role, once again, in allowing these animals to stay submerged for long periods of time. As ancient survivors with so many adaptations, let me know in the comments which one is your favorite, or give me an idea on what other adaptation you'd like me to make a video about. Once again, I have to give a special thanks to Rodent Pro for sponsoring our videos. Together with their help, Croc Chat can keep taking a bite out of extinction. Once again, thanks for watching. Come back for more. Later, Gator.